Markets are counting down to the non-farm payrolls report, which will help define the path forward for the Fed. The September numbers are set to add another data point to the increasingly mixed signals on the state of the US labour market. Let's get more from Bloomberg Markets reporter Valerie Tytel, who joins us with a preview. Valerie, what are we expecting to get today?
Bloomberg consensus has the big number at 170K for today. That is down from 187 previous, and is actually the lowest since January 2021 if we do get that on consensus print. We are expected to see a drop in the unemployment rate as well, from 3.8% previously down to 3.7%. Average hourly earnings on a monthly basis is expected to tick up to 0.3% from 0.2%, but the year-on-year number for average hourly earnings, that number of wage inflation, is expected to hold steady at 4.3%.
Valerie, how backward-looking do you think that is? We have the big debate this week. We've had the JOLTS, which is super backward-looking. We have the very, very timely jobless claims. They're both telling a pretty positive picture. Where do you put non-farm payrolls in this? How important do you think it is today?
Look, non-farm payrolls, especially for the markets, we do normally see big swings. The average 10-year yield swing for an NFP print this year has been 10 basis points. If you put that into perspective, just how nervous the markets are, that is a lot for the markets to handle at the moment. But you're right, we have gotten a lot of conflicting data on the labor market in between JOLTS, ADP, jobless claims, all throwing us in different directions and seeing pretty sizable market reactions off the back of it. But I agree with you in some way that Bloomberg Economics also does, that this print today is somewhat backward looking, because the survey week in September was in early September. It was before all this bond market turmoil, before this recent tightening of financial conditions. So perhaps this isn't the best thing that we could have to look forward, but it's the best data that we have at the moment.